welcome to Empower Living, Embracing the Goddesses Within. I am Beverly Danousis. Empowered living is living from your heart, understanding that you have been endowed with 7 amazing attributes, which I just so happen to call goddesses because
And welcome back to More at Midday. Author and speaker Beverly Danousis is here with some answers. Beverly, glad to have you here today.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here.
Talk about the need for empowerment with women today.
Well, the biggest need for empowerment is for women to accept themselves as they truly are. And even with our education, we haven't gone as far as I would like to see us go, as far as accepting ourselves totally and completely, meaning accepting our bodies, accepting our power, accepting our wisdom. We're still comparing ourselves to this artificial ideal beauty that's imprinted, I believe, in our DNA.
Right.
Because we keep waking up every morning unconsciously comparing ourselves, and it's debilitating.
Right. It's not fair to ourselves.
It is
Right?
not fair. I think the worst thing we can do to our heart is to compare and to compete, especially with something that doesn't exist.
So it's your opportunity to wake up to these 7 attributes that I call 7 goddesses, and to embrace them and to allow them to come out into your life. How do I do this, Bev? How did you do that? How do I contact them? Well, you've got to be willing to spend some time with yourself. You've got to be willing to really find out who you are, and to understand that you are more than a physical person, that you do have a soul, that you are a spiritual being, that you're not just here on earth to try to get back to heaven, that you're here to co-create and have a wonderful, abundant life, and you deserve abundance. You deserve to live in peace. You deserve harmony, and so do your children, and so do all children and all people.
Amen.
Thank you.